If you want to go back on Google Pixel 11, then of course how you go back depends on the navigation mode. If you use 3-button navigation, then all you have to do is you need to simply tap on this triangle button. It can be positioned on the left side, but also we can change the position of the back button and have it on the right side. It depends on the button order over here. But essentially you just tap on this button once in order to go back to the previous screen, previous menu, previous app, whatever was previously opened. Now, if you use gesture navigation instead, then now we can swipe from the left or right edge of the screen to the middle of the display. So we can swipe like this, and as you can see, we can easily go back. A simple, quick swipe allows you to go back to the previous menu or screen. And like I said, the left or right edge works, so you can also swipe from the right edge to the middle, and you can also go back like that. And this gesture is universal. It works all the time, no matter what you have opened. In any app or any menu, you should be able to go back by performing these gestures. Leave a like and subscribe.